Yo, what up guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see behind me, we've got the Speed with the air system fully completed, I think. I think that's all that's left to do is make sure these rear bags work, then calibrate the system and fire it up. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to get some stock wheels or some smaller wheels than my new Cosmos ones and throw them on the car to calibrate the car so that it can air out completely and air up completely. So the calibration can be done properly, because on those Cosmos wheels I don't think they're going to fit properly so that the whole system can air itself out without hitting my fenders off the tire. So I'm going to grab some wheels from over here, hopefully with some tires on them, and throw them on the car and then get this thing off jacks. Alright guys, so ran into a little bit of a problem. Not that I didn't know this was coming really, but I need to swap out my control arms. I'm going back to stock. That bag is not sitting right at all. You can see where it needs to go up top and how big of an angle these control arms put it at. So when I lower the car, I'm not even going to be able to line up the bag manually so that it sits in place right. It's just going to fall on top of the side of the bag really. Over here I already have the stock one back in and it sits much nicer. And this way I can run my sway bar again, which is awesome. So this is what I'm going to do for now guys. I don't really care about these control arms. I'm sick of them. I'm just going to get rid of them and not use them at all and go back to the stock ones, which fit much nicer. So that's what I'm doing now, and when I come back I'll show you guys what it all looks like, and then we'll hopefully get it on the ground. So after a couple hours and a lot of cursing and swearing, the rear is finally swapped. Stock control arms back in, also stock sway bar back in, which is a huge bonus of having these arms back in. We've got busted knuckles and all sorts of cuts and scrapes from that, but that's what wrenching on cars comes with. I guess there's no getting around that, especially when you don't wear gloves. I can't stand wearing gloves when I work on cars. But anyway, so I think the car is ready to go back down on the ground. Finally see what this looks like. I got my Mazda 3 wheels on the back and Mazdaspeed 3 wheels on the front. Yeah, that's quite the combo, but I will show you guys what this looks like as soon as the car is on the ground and we start playing around with the management. Okay. System not calibrated. Do you want to start? Yes. Vehicle on a level surface. Yes. The front wheel straight. Is your manifold mounted? Yes. Do you have one or two compressors? One compressors. Auto calibrate. No. The vehicle will now move. Are you ready? Yes. Checking mounted. Tank's filling up real nice there. There it is, guys. Calibration successful. System ready to use. Wow. This is fucking crazy. Boys, you have no idea how stoked I am right now. This is a good feeling. Oh my god. That is so much fun. This is crazy, man. This is insane. This is so cool. Just chooching. First time this car has been started in probably 2 months at least. Calibration successful. I'm gonna look through this, learn how to do everything. So since this 3P management has Bluetooth built in, we're gonna grab the Airlift app so we can control all this on our phone, on my phone. that is very accurate too. Here's the side by side. That is so quick. That is crazy. That's so cool. Oh, and I can do all my settings from here. This is awesome. I am stoked, boys. This is crazy fun. Man, this is cool as hell. I know it's probably hard to hear me with the car running and everything, but look at this. Oh man, I feel like a kid on Christmas Day right now. Watch this shit. Oh my God, yes. That's unreal. This is insane. Oh my God, I'm stoked. Woo! That's quick. Boys, I am stoked. Fuck yeah. This is way too much fun though. This is cool as hell. I've never even been in a car that's been on air before. And this is my first time obviously owning one, so I am super pumped right now. I can't even get over this. And I don't even have my good wheels on yet, so